Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy with popular features. Features also include steering wheel controls, third-row seating, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, take a ride in the 2016 Town & Country. Town & Country's V6 engine provides plenty of power while still providing the fuel efficiency you look for in a vehicle. Tow up to 3,600 pounds when your Town & Country is equipped with a towing prep package. Seat 7 comfortably and choose from stow and go seating or the innovative swivel and go seating. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, remote trunk release, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.